In the winter of 2023, my sophomore year of high school pushed me forward in a hurry. I couldn't snap out of it, and as I looked up, I saw the bow in my hand and my mother's face drawing near. The touch of the black and white keys on the hand is so clear. The conflict between me and myself pricked my nerves. I think I must choose. This festival has removed many violins from your life, which is somewhat dull. Go, go, go. Maybe one day I will shine like this light. Alone with my fingertips, feeling pleasure without a moment to spare. I see my choice more clearly now. I pen my thoughts myself. Hide it in a paper airplane. May it fly freely in the days of wind and rain. Fold a paper airplane and watch your dreams soar with the breeze.